Mouth-watering ribs, grilled pork belly, lemon herb chicken, yummy milkshakes, and their signature burger. Yan ang mga in-order namin dito sa newly opened Retro Diner sa Tagaytay. Kakaibang kainang ito dahil pagpasok mo, matatransport ka sa 1950s. Mula sa aesthetic and ambience ng lugar, uniform ng mga staff pati na background music, may statue pa ni Marilyn Monroe, retro na retro ang vibes dito sa 727 American Diner. Mula sa Kawit to Imus at ngayon dito naman sa Tagaytay, hindi lang masarap na pagkain ang ino-offer dito, kundi pati na rin super cool experience. Since first time namin dito, we asked them for their best sellers and ito yung nirecommend sa amin. Slow-cooked barbecue pork spare ribs, served ito with rice and coleslaw. Yung grilled pork belly naman, 2 pieces siya and served with buttered corn cob and butter garlic rice. Umorder din kami ng lemon herb chicken for my brother and side naman ito, mashed potato and mixed veggies. Syempre, di namin pinilampas ang 727 Diner's signature cheeseburger na may char-grilled 6-ounce US beef patty. Nag-add lang din kami ng homemade hash browns as extra side which is 50 pesos lang. Sa drinks naman, tinry namin yung iba-ibang milkshakes nila, yung Oreo, strawberry, and vanilla caramel. Must try silang tatlo but for me, favorite ko yung Oreo. Okay din yung strawberry pero on the sweeter side siya. Medyo nakulangan lang ako sa asin na taste ng strawberry pero overall, masarap pa rin. Bill reveal, in total, naka 2,686 kami for 3 persons. Included na dun yung service charge na 10%. Although the food may be on the pricier side, dahil nga American Diner, malaki ang servings ng pagkain dito. Pwede nga pandalawang tao yung ribs. Overall, we had a great experience here and masasarap talaga yung foods. Sobrang dami ding choices. Kung pwede ko nga lang orderin lahat. Pero sa next visit na yun, for sure, babalikan namin ulit to. So kung gusto mo ng unique place to visit at American food here in Tagaytay, then visit 727 here sa General Emilio Aguinaldo Highway, Tagaytay. But as I've said, meron din naman silang branches sa Imus and Kawit. Follow me for more recos. Bye, cutie!